to subscribe my channel and please hit the bell icon next to it so that you will always get notified when I upload any video and never miss it. Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Mystic Magic. So today I am back and again with one more mini cloth factory haul, and if you didn't watch my earlier cloth factory haul then please watch it. I will give the link in the I button here and also in the description box. So if you want to see what I bought from Cloth Factory, then keep on watching. But before I start my video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, then please subscribe it. And if you like this video, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and share with your all friends. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first product is Protective Line Storage Box. And it is available in different colors like purple, red, yellow, blue, black, and I choose black one, and the price is just ₹60. The quality is nice and you can keep your headphone, coins or any small things here. Next product is Women Vintage Sports Watch, and it is also available in different color like black, blue, brown, green, pink, red, white, yellow, and I bought blue one and the price is 144 rupees, and the quality is worth the price, and it is very lightweight, so I don't know till how long it works, and it look like this. And the next product is Cute Pattern Makeup Bag Waterproof, and it is available in different pattern and color, and I ordered this black one and the price is 100 rupees. When I received this bag, I thought it was little bigger as shown in picture, but I got this small one, so I'm very disappointed with this product because I spent 100 rupees for this small bag. So if you want to buy this bag, then please don't buy it. And it look like this from inside. So next product is Phone Lazy Tripod, and it is available in three colors, red, black and blue, and I ordered black one and the price is 96 rupees. It is nice, small and easy to handle. You can use it to record your blog. You get one tripod stand and one mobile holder, so in this price it's worth it. Next product is Makeup Transparent Spray Bottle of 100 ml and the price is 66 rupees. The quality is okay. In this price, this product is very nice and you can use it in various ways. Next product is Women's Fashion Belt. It is available in camel color and the price is 121 rupees. The quality is not that good, but it's okay in this price. It's worth the price, and it look like this. And the next product is Tassel Zipper Short Purse, and it is available in three color, wine red, pink and black, and I ordered red wine color and the price is 350 rupees. The quality is superb. I love it a lot. It was my favorite product among all. It has a small tassel also which looks so cute, so if you want to buy it then go for it. And it's look like this. The next product is multifunction mobile phone stand and the price is 181. This product is the worst product which I have ordered till now. It does not take the weight of my phone as it described about this product. It is the waste of money. So if you are thinking to buy this product, then please don't buy it. Next product is sport running headset with mic in ear wired earphone, and it is available in black and white color, and I ordered white one and the price is 162 rupees. It is nice but not that much of good quality, but in this price it's worth it, and it looks like this. Next product is heart printing makeup tool bag, and it is also available in different color, and I ordered black one and the price is 61 rupees. The quality is not that good. The bag is made of very thin material, and you can use it to keep your stationery thing only. So I am not happy with this product, and it look like this. And the last product is long sleeved chiffon long cardigan, and it is available in two color, white and black, and I ordered black one and the price is 293 rupees. It come in one size, so if you are curvy girls then please don't buy it. It looks so tight, but quality is okay and you can buy it if you want, and it look like this. So hope you really enjoy watching this video, and if you find this video helpful then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And if you have any question, do let me know in the comment box below. So thank you for watching. See you soon in my next video. Till then, bye and take care.